Hello, guys. So today we were cracking eggs to make food, and we found a very interesting egg. It's like red and orange compared to all the other eggs. It's really cool.
That is really weird.
Strange color.
I wonder if it's like a embryo that's starting. Do you think?
Maybe.
I've never seen an egg like that before. It looks very, very different. Should we eat it?
Yeah, no, yes, no, yes.
Oh no, it flopped upside down.
It's still red.
I'll flop it back up again. There you go.
Ooh. Red.
Yeah, that's really different. I think it may be like an embryo starting.
Is it edible?
I think so. I don't know.
Okay. Because we're eating it.
And there you go.
We're eating it.